This is the most trafficked animal in the world, yet most people have never even heard of it. It looks like a small dragon covered in armor. But this strange animal is actually a mammal. This is a pangolin. Pangolins are the only mammals in the world completely covered in protective scales. When they feel threatened, they roll their bodies into a tight ball, using their scales as armor against predators. But sadly, that defense doesn't work against humans. Every year, thousands of pangolins are captured and sold in the illegal wildlife trade. Their scales are often used in traditional medicine, even though there is no scientific proof that they have healing powers. Because of this, pangolins have become the most trafficked mammals on Earth. Today, several species of pangolins are already endangered and facing extinction. And if illegal hunting continues, this incredible animal could disappear from the wild forever.